Marsberg and Duisburg, Germany, June 27, 2026.
Meine Herren, nein, ei.
Heavy rain and strong gusts of wind hit the Marsberg area in the Hochsauerland district on Saturday afternoon, June 27. The Marsberg Fire Department reported this in a press release. The first emergency vehicles were dispatched at 1:44 p.m. to repair damage and secure flooded areas. By 6 p.m., emergency services had responded to a total of 16 incidents, 12 of which involved storm damage, and 4 others were floods. According to the fire department, the villages of Giershagen and Leitmar, as well as the L549 state road between Marsberg and Leitmar, were particularly hard hit.
Oh!
The railway line near Obermarsberg was also affected. A fallen tree blocked the tracks, necessitating a temporary full closure of the line. According to the statement, emergency services removed the tree and reopened the line. A total of approximately 130 emergency personnel were deployed until 6 p.m. Several units of the Marsberg Fire Brigade were called out to a fire in Westheim in May, after a garden shed caught fire and threatened an adjacent slope. A severe storm in northern Duisburg on Friday evening also led to several emergency call-outs. On Weseler Straße in Duisburg-Marxloh, several branches fell onto the overhead power lines of a passing tram at around 10:39 p.m. The overhead power line broke as a result. After the power supply was cut off by DVG, the emergency services were able to begin the cleanup. The operation lasted until 2:30 a.m. on Saturday. According to the fire department's situation service, fallen branches and 2 fallen trees had to be removed from the road over a distance of several hundred meters.